Hi, my dear friend. This is again your most welcome. Today I wanted to show the pattern of an Irish Crochet lace applique. So let's see together. Start the slip knot. Please don't tighten the slip knot. And chain 1. Insert your hook in the knot and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 and turn. Insert your hook in one loop on the side and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and turn. Insert your hook in these 2 loops on the side and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and keep going. Insert your hook in these 2 loops on the side and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, insert your hook in these 2 loops on the side and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. I crocheted 30 centimeters. You will see loops on the side. You should have an odd number of loops on the side. Insert your hook in first loop and pull up loop. Insert your hook in second loop and pull up loop. Insert your hook in third loop and pull up loop. Fourth loop and pull up loop. Fifth loop and pull up loop. Sixth loop and pull up loop. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, yarn over, pull through all loops and remove your hook. Insert your hook in this loop on the side and your loop and this next loop and pull through all 3 loops. Chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook in same loop and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times and 4 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Skip one loop, insert your hook in next loop and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 to make a reverse single crochet, chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook in same loop and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times and the last time. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Once more, skip one loop, insert your hook in second loop and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 to make a reverse single crochet, chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook in same loop and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times and 4 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Skip one loop, insert your hook in second loop and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over and pull blue once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. It's so beautiful. Please crochet this side of applique. I crocheted one side of applique and crochet the last loop and make a slip stitch in the knot. And turn, insert your hook in each loop and make a slip stitch. Insert your hook in each loop on the side and make a slip stitch. Keep going until you reach this loop. I crocheted this side of applique and make a slip stitch in last loop and make a slip stitch in first stitch, chain 1, get the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you found this video helpful or fun, drop a like, leave a comment and hit that subscribe button to join our journey. We truly appreciate you. Have a nice one. Bye.